So friends, if you are also facing the problem of 72 hours restrictions on Snapchat, due to which you are not able to delete your Snapchat account, then watch this video completely today, because in this you will get simple steps to fix this issue and I will explain how you can finally solve this problem. But first of all, we should know why this problem appears. Basically friends, when you change your password on Snapchat or try to delete your Snapchat account immediately after forgetting it, or try to delete your account after logging in on a new device, then Snapchat thinks that your account has been authorized by someone else in an unauthorized way, is trying to delete it. That's why Snapchat puts a restriction of 72 hours to protect your account. So if you too have changed your password a few hours ago or have forgotten it, then you have to wait for some time. After that, open the browser of the same device on which you used to use Snapchat, and here search Snapchat account delete, and friends here tap on the first website, and friends here you have to fill your username or email address and then tap on the next option. So guys, in this page you have to fill your password, and after filling the password tap on the next option. And friends, in this page if you want to delete your Snapchat account, so fill your password and then tap on continue option and then tap on confirm option. So guys, as you follow these steps, your Snapchat account will be deleted and you will not face this kind of 72 hours restriction on your account. And friends, if you have any questions or doubt, please comment on this video. Must like and subscribe to our channel to get more interesting and informative videos like this.